The Hans Karlsson Award was first presented in 1994. It was introduced to honor the work of Hans Karlsson, who, in addition to his accomplished career, was active in a number of standard-setting organizations. Recipients of the award are selected for their outstanding skills and dedication to diplomacy, team facilitation, and joint achievement in standards development. They will receive a commemorative plaque and a $2,000 honorarium. Paul Croll is a fellow in the defense group of the Computer Science Corporation. Paul has over 35 years of experience in mission-critical systems and software engineering. He has brought his skills to high-profile, cutting-edge technology programs in areas as diverse as surface warfare, air traffic control, and nuclear power generation. Today, we recognize Paul for his leadership of the IEEE Computer Society Systems and Software Engineering Standards Committee. S2ESC maintains the world's most extensive collection of system and software engineering standards. As chair, Paul focused S2ESC on broad relevance, usability, and consistency of standards. In an environment where a multitude of interests in software and systems development may not share the same opinions, he actively recruited a broad array of liaisons from other standards bodies, thereby increasing S2ESC's ability to encompass a wider worldview. Paul cultivated communication and collaboration by establishing liaisons between the S2ESC and the SCI, NASA, Department of Homeland Security, INCOSE, and ISO. His leadership style reconciled disparate views and interests and fostered collaboration among all groups. For his contributions to the development and promotion of software and systems standards, we are honored to present the 2012 Hans Karlsson Award to Paul R. Croll.
Time and time again, Paul Croll has shown that he's an expert at herding cats for the benefit of standards development, encouraging contributions, and making the parties feel invested in their joint outcome. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Paul Croll. Thank
My dearest colleagues and friends, I am humbled to receive the Hans Karlsson Award this evening. I've worked in software and systems engineering standards development for over 20 years and have been extremely gratified to see my efforts in some small way help shape the state of the practice. I've also been gratified to have been able to facilitate collaboration among industry, government, and academic stakeholders across sector-specific and national boundaries in moving these efforts forward. I would like to thank those who nominated and endorsed me, the Hans Karlsson Award Committee, and the Computer Society for this great honor. I would also especially like to thank Roger Fuji, who is seated at table 4, who initially got me involved in IEEE standards development through his software verification and validation standards efforts back in the early 1990s, and also my wife Carol Ann, who couldn't be here this evening, for supporting the travel and time it's taken over all these years to make a difference in standards. Thank you so much for this award.